Have you ever dreamt of creating a flourishing online business that generates passive income? If your answer is yes, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're going to explore an exciting business idea that will kickstart an amazing adventure using my special secret weapon. A secret weapon? ChatGPT, the ingenious tool that will propel us toward success. In this video, you will learn how to harness the power of ChatGPT to create remarkable products that will captivate customers on Etsy, the thriving marketplace for artisans. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with powerful techniques to identify winning products swiftly, thanks to ChatGPT. We'll also delve into the creative side, unveiling the secrets of designing professional-looking digital products using the user-friendly Canva platform. I'll also guide you through the process of opening an Etsy shop, and guess what? You'll receive a whopping 40 free listings to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey, allowing you to begin with 100% free. Believe me when I say this video is a treasure trove of invaluable insights, so be sure not to miss a single moment as I will walk you through each step, demonstrating how to publish your products on Etsy the right way, ensuring maximum visibility and success. So, get ready to unlock the door to a world of unlimited possibilities and embark on this exhilarating adventure toward financial freedom. Now, before we start selling products on Etsy, we need to keep a few things in mind. Choose a product you know is going to sell, something that people are going to buy. Secondly, choose a product that stands out from the competition. Here's the burning question: how can you ensure your offerings are in high demand and stand out from the competition? Fear not, my friend, because I have done my homework and discovered a few techniques to guide you. While numerous tools and methods exist to find profitable products, I've discovered a remarkably simple yet powerful approach, and guess what? It won't cost you a penny. Direct your gaze towards the search bar above on Etsy, for it holds the key to unlocking a world of insights and potential riches. Now that you know what to keep in mind while choosing a product, so let's go ChatGPT and ask it to give some suggestions. Let's type digital product ideas to sell on Etsy. Now, let's focus on the most promising one. Digital planners have proven to be a hot commodity, but why not give it a twist? I've decided to dive into the world of printable planners instead. Now, let's narrow down our focus to a specific audience. Once again, I turned to the chatbot for assistance, and it never disappoints. It presented me with potential niches and target audiences, among which academic planners, wedding planners, fitness and wellness planners, and everyday, monthly, or weekly planners are my favorite. I've chosen the self-improvement niche, fueled by my affinity for those categories. Now it's time to explore Etsy and check out if our chosen product is good enough. Let's start by typing your keywords in the search bar. In my case, I'll use goal planner as an example. Once you hit enter, you'll see a bunch of results. All you have to do now is browse through the different listings and see what catches your attention. When you find something interesting, it's time to move on to the next step, analyzing the product. There are two important things to consider. First, make sure the product has enough reviews. Second, check if it's receiving new reviews consistently. Well, if a product gets regular new reviews, it's a good sign that it's selling well. Take a look at this example. This product has a lot of reviews, and all of them have been posted recently. When a product receives multiple reviews on the same day, it's a strong indication that it's selling very well. So, based on this information, I decided to create something similar to this successful product. Let's start the analysis. First, try to get an overall idea. Look into what it includes, how many pages it has, and what style has been used. Also, check the reviews to see what people like and, more importantly, what they don't like. I have gone through a lot of reviews, and this is my conclusion. Keep the design simple, user-friendly, consistent, and concise. In the end, you should have a list of what people like and dislike. Understanding what your target audience likes and dislikes help in creating not only something that has proven to work but also helps in improving your product. After analyzing the process, I have decided to create a one-page goal tracker, along with 2 additional pages to sell as a bundle. And now it's time to create the final product using ChatGPT and Canva. Usually, I make something similar to what other competitors offer, and it works well. But this time, I decided to try something different with ChatGPT. First, I typed the design I wanted to create and had conversations with the chatbot. After many tries, the chatbot generated a detailed layout that I can use as a starting point. Remember, you don't have to copy the design exactly. Instead, use it as a base to save time. Once you have an idea of how your end product will look, go to canva.com to start the actual design process. On Canva, you can search for the design you want and find ready-to-use templates. You can easily move things around, change colors and fonts, add or remove elements, and much more. After spending some time on Canva, this is what I created. I designed a goal planner template, which is the main design of my product. I also created 2 more designs, a time management planner and a progress tracker. Remember, there you be consistency with your planners. Follow a specific pattern in all the planners in a bundle. Once you've finished customizing your templates, it's time to download the masterpiece in the form of a PDF. Now that you have your product and listing images prepared, it's time to open your Etsy shop and list your first product. Opening an Etsy shop is free, but listing a product costs 20 cents. However, if you sign up using the referral link of other shop owners, you'll receive free listings to help you get started. To begin, click on Open a Shop today. You will then need to provide details about your store and some personal information. Additionally, Etsy requires you to list at least 1 product to open your store. You can temporarily add any item for this purpose and delete it later. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll find all the necessary settings to manage your store on the left-hand side. Start by editing your shop profile, where you should add a photo and banner. It's also crucial to include your picture as the shop owner to establish trust with visitors. Canva offers numerous templates specifically designed for Etsy sellers, making it a useful tool for creating these graphics. Next, navigate to the Listings section and click on Add a Listing. Upload the listing images you created on Canva, and optionally, you can include a video as well, although we'll skip that step for now. Proceed by entering the product title, ensuring it contains relevant keywords that will help people discover your product. Provide additional details about your product, including its contents, features, benefits, and instructions for use. If desired, you can also utilize ChatGPT to assist you in writing the description. Add relevant tags to improve the discoverability of your product. Determine your price and quantity in this section as well. Lastly, upload your product's PDF print file, which contains all the templates your customers will download upon purchase. Once completed, click on Publish to make your listing live on Etsy. Start strong on Etsy. List your first product with ease, and let Etsy handle the rest. Keep listing new products consistently for a sustainable passive income stream. Selling on Etsy, especially digital products, is the ultimate way to build your success. Thanks for watching this video. So, like, share, and comment below. And hey, while you're at it, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated with my latest content.